Hello, I'm Jerry Tobler. I'm from Columbus, Ohio. We actually bought the first generation of LeafFilter probably 10, 15 years ago, and it initially worked very well. But the weave to the filtering system was so tight that once algae started to grow, it would no longer allow the water to get into the gutters. I learned that they improved the product by making a more coarse screen, and I had them put that on our entire house with 6-inch gutters. They spent, I don't know, maybe a day and a half because it was a big project. And the workmen were great. I congratulated them at the end of the project because our home is 3 stories in some parts, so it was not an easy task. So anyway, I recommend it, especially the new product.